Hi and welcome back to the shop. I'm Jessica. Thanks for joining me today. I am Roy's wife and today I'm going to be forging some copperwork, some bowls specifically. So let's get right into that. I finished forming all my bowls. This is my leaf bowl. I am happy with the shape of that, and I worked the stem down a little bit in the tip there, and it'd be real nice with the tea light in there, I think, once it's all finished. And I also just did a simple round one. This is made out of a thinner gauge copper. That one wasn't too bad at all. Here is a square one I did. I rolled the edges just a little bit there on the wooden swedge block. And this is a thicker material, so it took a little more to move it, but I am pretty happy with that one as well. And lastly, this is my little flower bowl, which is actually going to become part of a sculpture. And so there's going to be a hole drilled in the center here, and it'll end up going on a stem for a sculpture. But anyhow, this is how they all turned out. I'm not going to do the finished work in this video because I am going to be taking an enameling class. I mentioned that when I did a forged handle video, and those are also going to go with me to the enameling class. And so we'll see how many of these I have time to enamel. I just wanted to go prepared, so I was making probably more items than what I actually have time to do. But that's why I'm not doing the finishing work on this video. But I will post a video around the enameling class so you can kind of see how my experience went with that, and so look forward to that. So thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.